Thanks for stopping by the channel today. This weekend we're in Sedalia, Missouri for the big rub gravel race. There's about 200 registered, I think, in the 50K and 100K. I'm doing the 50K. I think it's right at almost 33 miles. Anyways, then got my bib number and get about an hour to the start. I'll try and bring you some of the action.
You're out on open roads, public roads, follow the rules. There's a couple places where you'll cross highways, so be sure to stop and look. Don't get to go back and cross through there. Easy thing.
Bottleneck. Got a little twig in your derailleur in the very back. Oh, it came out. You're welcome. Hey guys, a little over 10 miles in, averaging about 15.2 at 42 minutes. Doing alright. Was doing really good. Burning up quite a bit at the beginning there. Alright. Nope. Rolling now at 14 and a half. Hey guys, finally hit some real gravel here. Was on the Katy Trail for a while. About 1 hour in. 14.71 miles. Hey guys, 20 miles in here. A little over. About 12.2 to go. Average pace is 4.2. pretty good hills there for a while. They saw some fluids, I think. E-bike. Alright, well, see the finish line. A little bit of Katy, a little bit of gravel, quite a bit of paved, and a little field. Oh yeah, about 9 miles ago. Just wanted to show you me coming through the field. Last year I had to do it twice, one at the beginning and one at the end. I convinced the race coordinator to switch it around and only do it once. Mighty grateful of that.